Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel again, Reading Readiness. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue in our reading processes we started last week. And very quickly, without wasting much of our time, if you know you have not subscribed, you have not liked, or you have not shared my link, please do so immediately. Okay, because I have lots of videos to be uploading on this channel that can help you get better in reading. So today, we are quickly going to look at the first processes in reading, which is the letter sound of the alphabet. We have 26 letters of the alphabet. Letter A to Z is our alphabet, A, B, C, D. You know the usual way. So that is our alphabet, and there are 26. So letter A, sound A. A. Please make sure you're saying this after me, okay? If you have a pen, you can quickly write this in your book. A. A. Letter B, sound B. Letter C, sound K. Letter D, sound D. 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 Listen to the sound as I pronounce it and try to do the same. Letter E, sound E. 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 Letter F, sound Letter G, sound G. 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 Letter H, sound. Letter I, sound E. 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 Letter J, sound J. 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 Letter K, sound K. K. Take note, letter K and letter C sound the same. Letter C sound K. Letter K sound K. Letter L sound Letter M sound Letter N sound Okay, you just need to smile to sound Letter O sound Letter P sound P. You need to learn this. You need to learn how to pronounce each of those letters of the alphabet. So if we move ahead, like getting to learn what a digraph is, you'll be able to say your digraphs and blend your letters to form a word. Is that okay? Thank you. So ensure you're following, and if you can also write up this alphabet, please write it. Is that okay? Letter Q sound Q. 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 Letter R sound R. 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 Letter S sound S. 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 Letter T sound T. Letter U sound J. Letter V sound V. Letter W sound W. Make sure your mouth is round as mine. Letter X sound X. 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 as if you're saying kiss. 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 Letter Y sound. And letter Z sound. Z. Z. Yes, that is the 26 letters of the alphabet. Taking us further today, we are going to be introducing our digraphs. Say digraphs, everyone. Digraphs. Now, what is digraphs? Digraphs are double letter sound. Double letters like the O and O. The sound changes from its original sound. Its original sound is O. But when we have two of it, it becomes ooh. That means you can say O and O sound ooh. So we have this in the word cool. 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 Okay? We also have it in the word pool. Pool. Okay? Like the swimming pool. We have it also in the word look. Look. Like you are looking at me. Look. Is that okay? So we are going to continue from this class from where we have started today in our next video. Please don't forget to share this link. Okay, if you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have lots of exciting videos coming on this. Thank you very much. I remain your teacher and your very best teacher in this. Thank you. Bye-bye.